Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's going to be a little quick video on some items that were sent to me by Time Warp Custom Paint. Let's see what it is. Alright guys, first of all I want to thank Time Warp Custom Paint for sending me these items from his online store, Limeline, and thank you very much, brother. All this is going to be in the description below, guys, to his store, so that you can go and check it out. He's got a lot of good stuff, a lot of good painting equipment. So let's just get started. First of all, the interface pad. I use it a lot. You can't go wrong with it, guys. This is real useful in custom painting and in flow coating and stuff. So this is one of the good things that he sent out. He also sent out a couple of adapters for the disposable cups. He sent me a couple of cups. He sells a kit. I believe it's like a 60, here you go, a 40 pack kit of liners and cups and the adapters for your guns. That's a real good thing. This is what I was interested in, the paint suit. Also the tapes. He's got some tapes for graphics and all that. I use these on the lowrider painting video. If you saw it, they work very, very good. You got no issues with that. I also got another pack of crushed glass, which I'm going to be using real soon. And some plastic blades. These blades are to lift the tape, as to when you do designs and all that. You can lift this tape. You won't have any issues of scraping the new paint job. And let's see what's inside this box. Alright guys, he also sent a little filter for the gun. Little air filter. Awesome. Has an adapter, another adapter. And he sent a gun. A paint gun. He sells these guns on his store, guys, on his online store. This is a 1.3 tip. And let's use it. Let's see how good this gun is. I'm going to be using it real soon. Right there. Oops. It has no name. So it's... Let's see how good it is. It's a LVLP paint gun. I'll be spraying with it. I'll be shooting some clear with it and some paint. So let's see how good this gun is. But he does have these guns. Actually, he has a package. Which is the gun, the adapter, the filter, and the cups, the disposable cups, a whole package. I'm not too sure how much he has them. It's about 100 and some. I'm not too sure. You want to go to the website and check it out. But it's a real good, if you've never painted before, it's a real good gun to start with. Alright, I'll show you how to adjust it. I'll show you how well it shoots, but it's a real good price to start on painting. So let's see how good it is. And this is it, guys. This is all that was sent. I want to thank again Time Warp Custom Paints for sending me all this. I'm gonna be doing a real quick video soon on the items. I'm gonna be using them. All right. Thank you very much. This will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. It's a real short video, but it's a real good video on items that I'm going to be using. All right. And also, there's another project coming up real soon, guys. And it's going to be a Buick Regal. It's an 83, 84 Buick Regal. It is a lowrider car, which is going to be having graphics and all that. So that's coming real soon, guys. So stay tuned for that. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. You don't want to miss it. All right, guys, thank you. Like always, have a great week. I'll see you this coming weekend, and God bless.